Hi everyone and welcome to today's writing lesson. Today we are learning to identify and use adjectives. To be successful today, you should be able to say and do these things. I can find adjectives in a sentence. I can write down 2 adjectives to describe the different characters. Today, for writing, you will need the following materials: your writing book, a pencil, and the Monday activity slides. Last week we looked at adjectives, and today we've got this slide here just to remind you about what an adjective is. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun, or you might have heard of it called an actor. So the adjective is the word that describes the actor in our sentence. It tells us how the actor looks, what it smells like, what it sounds like, what it feels like, what it tastes like, or sometimes how many as well. So some examples that you can see on your screen right now are: she is a pretty girl, this is a brown dog, the small shop is open, it is a funny book. So those words that have the line underneath them, they're our adjectives. If you have forgotten what an adjective is, the links to the videos that you watched last week are down the bottom of the screen as well, so you just need to click on the orange writing to take you to the video. For the first activity today, we're going to be playing an adjectives game. You will need to click on the link below, but before we do that, I just want to run through a few things with you first. So if you can see the picture on the right, that is the picture of the menu that you will see on your screen when you click on the link. The option that you want to click on to play the game is the last item on the list, and that's Adjectives Game. So if you click on that, you should be able to get to the game. The link is the orange writing at the bottom of your screen that says Adjective Game. If you click on there, you'll be ready to play. For our second activity today, we're going to be writing some of our own adjectives to describe some characters. So today, you are going to turn to the next slide in a minute and look at 4 different characters on your screen, and you're going to write down 2 adjectives to describe each of those characters. So you'll notice that I've put an example down here as well. So there's a picture of a giraffe, and I've actually written 3 adjectives. You only need to do 2. But I've just popped 3 there so that you can see what you need to do. So I've described the giraffe as being tall, spotty, and playful. You might describe your characters as something a bit different. And on the right hand side of the screen, you can see there's a picture of a monkey with some adjectives around it. And there's also a list of different adjectives down the bottom as well to help you out if you get a little bit stuck.